while things might look a little bit bleak at the moment, it's absolute fantastic news that the Bitcoin Spot ETFs have actually started trading in Hong Kong. And I haven't actually checked, but I think the Ethereum Spot ETFs should also start trading today or at some time in the very, very near future, because that was also approved. Now, in this side of the world, we have back-to-back bad news, and they're attempting to basically deem everything as security. They're going after all of the, privacy coins, DeFi. Now, MetaMask is in trouble. Now, while that's happening, other parts of the world are embracing crypto, and crypto money is basically moving across to other parts of the world. Now, I'm going to do a dedicated video on that because I have quite a fair bit to say about that. But in this video, I just wanted to point out that while Bitcoin is sort of losing steam on one side of the world, it's gaining steam on the other side of the world. And what's just going to happen is, the grayscale sales, the Bitcoin at grayscale sales are just going to be bought up, if not bought up by BlackRock, who have slightly slowed down a little bit, probably because of the economy. Again, remember, the seeding that BlackRock is doing is partly dependent on inflows from people actually buying the ETFs, right? So let's assume that people are slowing down with the ETF purchases because, again, they see Bitcoin as a sort of risky asset at the moment. You have other parts of the world like Hong Kong starting to, people are going to start to buy. And when that really kicks off, we're going to see China, have a look at it and see what the success rates are. And even though everyone says that China is anti-crypto, anti-Bitcoin, anti-freedom, yada, 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 I believe very strongly that China is watching closely at what's happening in Hong Kong with the ETFs, and they're using that as some sort of test bed, beta program, so that they can roll it out on the mainland. And even if China doesn't roll it out on the mainland, best believe that other entities, other dominions in the APAC region are going to follow suit. Because remember, everyone is trying to be the crypto hub of the area. So we have Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, all of those other places are also going to be doing what they can to get in on the action. And don't forget South Korea. South Korea has some of the highest trading volumes when it comes to crypto. Anyone that's been around crypto for long enough knows of the Korea pump, which is when something gets listed in Upbit or some Korean exchange. We see a massive surge. They played an incredible role in last all-time highs for Bitcoin in the last cycle when the Korea pumps would lift everything another 10 to 20%. So I'm excited about what's going to happen in Asia. So don't worry about the temporary dips that we might see here as a result of the US government actions, the US economy, the Western economies, legal prosecutions, macro events, etc. When the dust settles in the end, we know that Bitcoin is going to win. And when Bitcoin wins, the alt will win too. Not financial advice, just do your own research, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.